Good morning again, Wordbird. How are you? I'm trying to sit on this seat, but I'm having a bit of trouble because there's somebody already there. Yes. What's she doing there, do you think? Hey? What's she doing? She's being a bit snuggly, isn't she? You're being a bit snuggly today too. How come? Why so snuggly? Yeah, because the weather's got a bit colder. Yeah, that's a good reason. And if we had a look at Mabel sitting right behind me, she must need to be a bit snuggly because she's even got her jumper on. Yes, she needs her jumper when she's feeling really cold. Well, you don't have a jumper. No, I don't. Do you need a jumper with all your feathers? I don't know that you need a jumper. You want a jumper too. I got this one. I noticed that we've got this one here. Would this make a good jumper? And then you could be cute and snuggly too. Hey, what do you think? Let's see if I can put a wing in here. It's here. Oh, a bit tricky. It's a bit tricky. Trying hard. You're going to have to help me. Oh, baby, you can help me. Got your wing? Aha, there's a wing. All right. Where's your other wing? Let's try this one. Can we get that one through there? Yeah. Oh, is that a bit snuggly? A bit snugglier? Okay. And then pull the jumper around. We can do you up so you're nice and snuggly. Is that better? Yeah? But now Murphy wants to snuggle as well. You too look snuggly in your little All right. So are you cute or are you snuggly? You're both. You're both. Okay, well tell me about the word cute then. Cute. What does cute mean? Cute. Cute means, yeah, adorable, or sometimes it's things that are small that we call cute, or just something that looks beautiful or lovely, or sort of makes our heart sing a little bit. We call things cute. Baby animals are often cute. Nice soft toys are often cute. Sometimes we call little people cute, like babies and things. They're so cute and snuggly too. All right, tell me how many syllables in the word cute? Oh, cute. Only one. There's only one cute. One burst of sound for the word cute. You're right, it's only got one syllable. Now, this one's a tricky one with cute because what can we hear? Cute. It's making that k sound. Show me. K. And if we hold here, we shouldn't be able to feel a loud k. We can't feel it. It's a soft sound, isn't it? Yeah, it's an unvoiced sound because we can't feel the vibration in our vocal cords when we make the k sound. Absolutely, well done. All right, so cute, one syllable, starts with the letter C, makes the k sound. Here's the letter C, and it makes the k sound. Give me some other words that start with that k sound. Cake, yeah. Cuddly, yes. Cute. Coffee. I like coffee. Caterpillar. Caterpillar starts with the k sound. Yeah. Couch. There's a couch behind us. Cricket. Cricket makes the k sound at the beginning too. Well done. Cat. Yep, cat. And cat's an easy one because k, at, t, it's only got 3 sounds in that word, hasn't it? And it's still a 1-syllable word. Cat. 1 syllable. Cat. 1 burst from your mouth. Cat. 1 burst from my mouth too. All right, cute. It's a good one. And are you looking cute? I think you look cute. All right, we said snuggly as well. What does snuggly mean? Yeah, snuggly means snuggling in for a cuddle. Snuggly. Oh, cuddle starts with k too. So snuggly. Absolutely. Snuggly, what else means? Else does snuggly mean? So it means cuddling in, it means getting warm with jumpers and things, it means snuggling up to someone. Absolutely. So it's going for snuggles. And you like having snuggles, so you're snuggly. Well, oh, did I say cuddly? I can't remember now. Was it cuddly or snuggly? We can do both. Okay, cuddly, snuggly. So snuggly, they're sort of the same. They're very similar, aren't they? They're like synonyms. All right, let's do cuddly. Cuddly, how many syllables? Cuddly, 2 syllables. Let's see. Cuddly, 2 syllables. Well done. All right. Snuggly, 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 2 syllables. What does cuddly start with? It starts with that curt sound, doesn't it? Yeah. What about snuggly? Oh, it starts with that S. That sound. Well done. It does. It starts with that sound. Excellent work. So cuddly, snuggly, sort of the same meaning. It means liking to cuddle. And we love to cuddle in this family, don't we? We're a big cuddly family. Are you cuddly, Mabel? What do you think? You being cuddly? I think you're being cuddly too. Beautiful. All right, because it's a bit cooler today, maybe we need to go and cuddle up on the couch and be cute and wrap ourselves in blankets and be really cute and snuggly and cuddly. Yeah? I think so too. All right, let's say goodbye to everybody then.